stand the test of time. The rate of progress is quite extraordinary. Of over 215 miles per hour, or if you can't get it up to, it says you can get up to around 206.
This is historic. This is the first time in public. About 1980s with the F40, they go up another 10. Build exquisite car. This is about as extreme as it can get. The Huayra
Litre naturally aspirated V12. Powerful non-hybrid V12 cars will be coming out as well. And some of the great some of the manufacturers in particular are putting up particular machinery. Incredibly popular amongst the fans of supercars. McLaren's not only about racing.
with Denny Holm in the Formula One World Championship.
Formula One, they're celebrating their have running, and also got the Jessica and the Genera. And as we were saying, again, we've got more
Strong nod to their past. Lots of front engine cars now down to the start. Stop to the beautiful body. Let's try and do the rest.
probably the most complete for our Spider, the only evolution of the a couple of years ago. So road legal XX program 3. This the road legal version of the GT2 straight away.
Indeed, talking special, we are at what we like to call around here in its camouflage
power. Just 50 units of these will be made, and you can see those on the static stand as well in the supercar paddock, which is I was there earlier.
It's fantastic that Zembo brought it here.
Well, we saw them queuing up. Now we're going to see them take to the hill climb.
You can see where the original is, but those big wider wings. But more than enough. Which is luxury as well as performance.
Yeah, the Bentley making its way up. Smoke coming from the start line. Well, that is the Lotus Evira, which is making its way. 01 of the Evo 38s. You'll hear it before you see it. It's coming your way now. Beautiful livery. Final evolution of the last.
Out of power. In fact, it's the most powerful Rolls-Royce ever, and that's comes as no surprise. You see the pace with which it passes Goodwood House. It is an
Cabrio making its way up there onto the sunlight. From somebody at the Continental GT Speed was lighting up.
Well, hopefully it only goes movies, we keep on changing bodies.
3 electric motors. It's got 13 drive electric all-wheel drive version. This really catering that are you can just see it. It's got a morphable roof scoop as well. It goes down with a semi-active four-way adjustability. Talking of aero.
But Mercury Spearling are up the hill the last few years, and they too use the fan to suck the car down. Ready for lunch, but exquisite shape and body shape.
It really is race trained. Racing tyres, all built almost to LMP2 distribution, but ultimately advantage S. 4 on the on the roof. 4-litre flat 6, but slightly breathed. And a 720S with a lower ride height as well, packing even more of a punch. Sesto Elemento making its way up the hill. It is indeed with again now with a V10 engine.
In front of the house, but Gordon's assembled from over the years, but talk to any driver. Just to explain the relevance of the plan, in 1978, the Brabant.
And then carrying on through to the latter stages of another gas competition again at 5:30. Meanwhile, the manufacturer for their final run will be out at 5:35 p.m.
Toyota, so all from the Toyota what feels as if coming to go GT3 racing, which will be the secondary car oncoming, but for Spiders, always popular, the Blue Cross to have full team in front. I think I can imagine
Ferrari's out on track in May 2024. Making its way up the hill. I think it's the Daytona SP3 from Ferrari. Delivery drawn on it. Sorry, the Ferrari SF90XX Spider, I should say.
1960s, when of course we had that fabulous battle before.
So, next step is the hydrogen powered
and making it work, and it looks like an Alpine, not the Pagani, it's about artistic beauty. And if you look at the tiniest elements of this car, even the wheel nuts are beauty.
dynamic 1,000 kilograms of downforce, semi-active rollover suspension with 4-way.
More than likely to be on the public road, hopefully clear public road, beautiful mountain scenery around you, but that very much to see the Trident on the grill.
0 to 100 kilometers an hour in just under 3 seconds.
It's interesting, you mentioned the car is purple. When the sun hits it, almost goes to gold.
Yes, I suddenly thought. Yeah, with a 93 kilowatt hour lithium-ion battery as well. Lotus really packing the punch. The Lamborghini at Temeralo.
Be anything other than a Lamborghini. They've always had spectacular cars, usually spectacular as well. His eye view as he approaches Moulcombe, and you know what, tick that box, he's gone through. Going too deep. So much now, just sort of see you hear it. You can hear his coach through Moulcombe. So what you want, we've almost tailor-made the car to you, so you've got to be light on your toes to work out what it is you want, how much money you want.
V12 race grade suspension in this.